Hi, everyone. My name is Kara Bernstein, and I'm here at the Four Seasons Denver at our 10th edition Healthcare Providers Transformation Assembly. I am here with Avery Earwood. He is the design partner at Sutherland. Thank you so much for being here, Avery.
It's my pleasure.
So, tell us a little bit about Sutherland. What is it and what do you do?
Well, Sutherland is a business transformation company. We take complex processes and we break them apart into their component pieces, and then we put them back together better, stronger, faster, cheaper than they were before.
Makes a lot of sense. So, providers and buyers have different views on what is digital enablement and what is automation. So, we want to understand your personal view on this. What is automation and what is digital in your mind?
Well, I think digital and automation are really two sides of the same coin. I think digital means different things to different folks, obviously. It's a huge topic, everything from automation, robotic process automation, to online experiences, to AI and cognitive analytics. So it's a full spectrum. I think automation plays a key role in process transformation specifically because it takes the repetitive, redundant task out and allows the human beings that are working in a process to really function at the top of their game, if you will, and doing the intellectual knowledge work that they enjoy doing.
So there's obviously quite a bit of competitors out there. So what do you think sets Sutherland apart from the others in this field?
What really differentiates Sutherland from some of our competitors is our origins. So we came from a customer experience perspective. And so whereas other companies might have started with technology or started with services, we were all about how do we deliver exceptional experiences for our clients. And when our customers are trusting us with their most valuable asset, their customers, that's a huge responsibility. And so in the process of fulfilling those promises, we've learned to put the customer first, the customer's customer, to focus on the experience and to leverage human-centered design or design thinking in the way we approach problems is really, so instead of being a technology-centric solution, we're a human-centric solution, and I think that makes all the difference.
So it's really going back to the basics and taking technology out of the picture. It's about the human, the patient, the customer.
Yeah, I mean, technology is a tool, right? So we like to say high tech, but high touch.
So there's a ton of change occurring in the healthcare landscape today. With this digital era, we are in rapid speed. So what are some of the major focuses that are driving this change today?
I think one of the things that's driving change in healthcare are ever-increasing consumer expectations. So we're all spoiled by Netflix and Amazon and Disney and having the information superhighway at our fingertips. And we've come to expect the same level of experience from our healthcare provider, from our doctors and physicians and nurses, as we do from the other brands that we're loyal to and that deliver these great experiences. And so convenience and transparency and flexibility are as important as price and quality in many cases.
So we're so happy you were able to join us at the Providers Assembly. You've been in and out of one-to-one meetings with our executives. So what have you gained so far from this program? What do you think are some of the benefits of this smaller group?
Well, I think it's an awesome opportunity for peers to come together and share their experiences, exchange ideas, commiserate on some of the challenges that we all have in common, and to really help each other out. And one of the things that I'm struck by how common the challenges that we all face are. And healthcare is somewhat unique in an industry where while technically, different hospitals, even in the same geography, are competing with each other, they're also in many ways collaborating. And because they're a mission-driven organization, we're all trying to do the same thing. We're all trying to improve the quality of life for the communities we serve. And so this venue and this is an opportunity for people, like-minded people, to come together and share their experiences and learn from each other.
Great to hear. So we are heading into 2020. Curious if you have one tip or piece of advice for healthcare executives as we make our way into the new year.
So we spoke a little bit about patient experience and the importance of that, and how consumers' expectations are increasing. The other side of that coin is the employee experience, the clinician, the workforce, the people that clean the rooms and serve the food in hospitals, and the people that follow up and deliver food to homes and deliver physical therapy. Their experience is important too. And you cannot expect to improve one while neglecting the other. So I would strongly encourage healthcare executives, administrators, department heads, leaders in all aspects of healthcare to give serious consideration and investment to how to improve the workforce experience, their employee experience.
Well, we're excited to see where it's heading, and thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you soon.
My pleasure. Thank you.